Alright, in this video what we're going to demonstrate is all the different filters that are available to you in the Milwaukee One Key application here for tool tracking and inventory management. So what we're going to do is I've got, in this database I have here, I got 43 tools. I'm going to click on the filters button here and it will show you the different available options that you have here for filtering. So if you have a tool that has the one key built into it, you can filter based off of that. Or if you have any Milwaukee ticks, you can filter off of that. You got locations, where it was last seen, manufacturer, person, trade, whether or not it needs maintenance or not, status, value, and purchase date. So there is a number of different filters that you have available there. You can also filter based off of categories as well if you have built categories into your one key database. So I'm going to go back to filters and I'm just going to do it by manufacturer. So let's say we need to go out here and see how many Milwaukee tools we have total. So I'm going to click on Milwaukee and hit update. So it brings back all the Milwaukee tools that I have loaded into one key. Now, say we need a filter again. Let's see how many Milwaukee tools a particular individual has, and I'll just make sure I choose somebody that's got some tools. So Mark David, and then hit update, and now you can see I got two filters applied. I got the Milwaukee manufacturer selected, and the employee or person Mark David selected, and that pulls that back there. And then I can actually go out and add another one. So as you can see, indicated by this icon, Mark David actually has a one key tool. So I'm going to click on that and then hit update. And you can see that I got 3 filters applied to get down to this one tool right here. So you can do layered filters, which is extremely valuable as your inventory database grows. So if you have get to the point where you got thousands of tools loaded in here, having these filter options makes it very quick and convenient for you to filter down, to get to the things that you're looking for. You can also, let's clear all these filters here. You can group stuff on here as well. So right now what we're looking at is just a stream of all the tools that we have in here, but maybe we want to break this out into groups to make it a little bit easier on the eyes to read. So let's say we want to group it by location. So if I hit location, now what you'll see is things are specified out. So I got 3 tools here that are not assigned to any location. I may want to address that right away, because really every tool should have some kind of location, whether it's in the storage bin, back at your office, or on a job site. And so now you can break this out, based off of location there. You can group it by manufacturer. So now I got all my Milwaukees together. If I skip to the, well, I had Milwaukee selected there. Let me clear that. Now I got Caddy, Greenlee, Klein Tools, Louisville Ladders, Milwaukee. That's what I was looking for there. Status would be another really good one, or person. So let's choose person. And you can just see how this is grouped together. So I got 24 tools that are unspecified. They're not assigned to an individual, which is fine. You may have a lot of tools that are just dedicated to a particular job site. They're not necessarily assigned to a particular individual. And here's the individuals and their tools that they have. As your database grows, you can kind of set how many tools you want to display on a page at one time. You can also configure the columns that you see. So if this is too much information, you may want to remove something. Let's just say, for example, I do not need to see the category that it's assigned to, but I do want to see the trade. So I can just click on that, and notice how when I'm doing this, it automatically adds and removes it. You can kind of see it adjusting down here on the screen. So now I've got my trade up there, and I took off my category for that particular tool. You can also obviously search. It's a pretty powerful search. You know, you can type in a particular product. So let's let's type in ladder and press enter, and it will just search your descriptions and pull back. Or you can do model numbers. So if I want, I just did a search, but I need to reset that search. I can come back over here and manage inventory again, and it will bring back all 43 items in my database. And you can search by your description, your model number, your tool number. That's one of the really beneficial things to your tool number. So I'm going to type in W1006, and it will take me directly to that tool number. And the idea of a tool number is that you may engrave or inscribe that onto your tool. So when an employee goes to grab a tool, he's going to look for the engraved number on the tool. For this particular one is W1006. So he sees that on the tool. He may pull up the OneKey app on his cell phone, and now he would go into the details and assign that to himself, and then hit done. So that's a really good use of having tool numbers assigned to your tools. So that's the various different options that you can use for filters and categories and searching and grouping tools together in the Milwaukee OneKey application. Thank you.